powered Kodiak Locksport.
Hey everybody, it's Lord Kodiak. I'm going to do the Shacklemen Cuff Club's challenge in the Smith Wesson series, the Cuff College SW7 called Twisted. I recorded a different video and called it the wrong thing, so here's that one. So I'll go back and do the original, the one I'm supposed to do, 7 Twisted. So holds up is a requirement. Put it on, double lock it on one side, and then the other one holds up, and hands are going the same way here. So that's the twisted part. Okay, so I need to put this a little tighter. My wrist just slipped in there. There, now it's not going to slip no more. All right, this side is double locked. I can't prove it, but I can show you the hole. It's double locked. So now all I gotta do is just take a pick, try to disengage that double lock, and then come around here and just get out of the old Smith & Wesson. Now I got the double lock, I think. Let me double check here. Looks like I did, but I might have missed it. Oh, there, it's popped up now. Too deep on that one. There we go. Double lock and lock is done, and I'm out. That is the Cuff College SW7 challenge done and in the book.